The dilemma is where they put the drain plug, right there, right above the exhaust. But there's not enough room. So what we have to do is grind down our Allen to make it a little shorter so we can drain our transmission fluid. All right, here's the final product, ground to a little nub. And we'll put that in. Let me get my drain pan. Now this will spill all over our exhaust, so make sure that it's nice and cool. All right, it's just now starting to drip. I think I can get the rest of it by hand. Nice, there we go. And just let that drain all the way. Wipe it all down real good. One thing I forgot to do before starting everything is making sure we can get our fill plug off. So hopefully we can get it off. 8mm Allen. All right, not too bad. Comes out. All right, now we're just gonna pump it in. A little catch pan underneath in case we get some dribbles. All right, I got 3 of our 5 quarts in before it started spewing back out. So now we have to start the vehicle to add our other 2 quarts in. What's gonna end up happening is this exhaust will get really hot and all our transmission fluid that's coated our exhaust will start to smoke off, all while we're down here. I'm gonna put the fill plug back in, wipe this off really well. Now I'm gonna start the truck. I have a little fan down here too, blowing air away from me. Hold this back out, we'll keep pumping away. All right, we got our 5th quart in. Now we want the transmission temperature to be between 86 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see that on your information display. Right now our transmission temperature is 84 degrees, so we'll run it for a little while longer, run it through the gears a few times, and then we'll go back under and double check one more time that we have enough transmission fluid in there and add as needed. Now that everything's scorching hot, let's check fluid level. All right, we'll fill it up just a little more. All right, now it's coming out. It was just over 5 quarts. Now we did get a new fill plug with a new gasket. All right, we'll tighten that to spec. Do one more wipe down. Careful because it's hot. All right, nice. Getting that drain plug, I'm sure they make a special tool for it. I didn't have, but grinding down that Allen did the trick. Other than that, just crawling under there can be a challenge. If you do have it on jack stands, be sure to jack up all sides of the vehicle at one time so it's nice and level. And then as you're topping it off, just be careful because that exhaust is hot. So you can burn yourself if you're not careful. But I know you're careful. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button. Consider subscribing. We'll see you on the next one.